In today's video, I'm going to teach you Guide with Squarespace in support.squarespace.com. We'll walk through how to quickly reach the Squarespace Help Center and open the article called Duplicating Pages and Content, so you can confidently reuse layouts without rebuilding from scratch. This is perfect if you've designed a page you love and want to replicate its structure elsewhere on your site. Start by opening your web browser and heading to Squarespace's Create Your Website page. This is the main starting point that introduces the platform and gives you easy access to learning resources. Once the page loads, look toward the top navigation and click Resources. If you're on a smaller screen or mobile device, you may need to open the site menu first to find it. The Resources area is Squarespace's hub for learning. It includes guides, tutorials, webinars, and links to support content. From here, select Help Center. The Help Center is Squarespace's official knowledge base, and it's where you'll find up-to-date step-by-step articles written by the team. You can browse by topic, but the fastest path when you know what you need is to use the search bar. In the Help Center, click into the search field and type Duplicating Pages and Content. As you type, you might see suggestions appear. Choose the one that matches exactly. This search phrase is specific and will take you straight to the guide that explains how duplication works on Squarespace. Next, click on Duplicating Pages and Content in the results. This article explains how to copy an existing page, what carries over during duplication, and any limitations based on page type. It also typically covers helpful notes like where the duplicated page will appear in your navigation and how to rename or adjust the page slug afterward. If you're using a particular version of Squarespace, check the top of the article for version notes so you're following the guidance that matches your site. It's also a good idea to glance at the last updated date. Squarespace improves features frequently, and the Help Center reflects those changes. A few tips as you read. Duplicating is great for preserving design consistency, but remember to update text, images, and SEO settings on the copy so you avoid duplicate content issues on live sites. Keep slugs unique, and consider hiding the duplicated page from navigation while you edit. If you're working with special collections like blogs or stores, the article will outline what can and can't be copied. That's it. By using resources, opening the Help Center, searching for duplicating pages and content, and selecting the article, you'll have everything you need to duplicate pages efficiently and safely. Thanks for watching, and happy building.